Hi everyone, welcome back to HiruHandmade Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy and super cute Christmas tree ornament. It works up really fast and is perfect for garlands, gifts or decorating your Christmas tree. Let's get started. I'm going to be using milk cotton yarn along with the 3.5mm crochet hook to make this. Let's get started with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger twice. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through the ring. Now this is the magic ring and we will chain 5 as the first round. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then we need to make 3 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. We need to make 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2, and then chain 2, 1 and 2 and work 3 more double crochets inside the magic ring. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets and 3 double crochets. Then again chain 2, 1 and 2 and make 3 more double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 2 and make 2 double crochets inside the magic ring again. Before that I would like to make the magic ring smaller, as I feel like this is too big now. So we will pull this tail a little to make it smaller like this, and then make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. After that I'm going to join the round by working a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd chain. So I'm going to insert the hook into the 3rd chain here, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. Now we will get started with the second round. First of all, I'm going to move the loop into the center of the chain 2 space here, and for that I'm going to work a slip stitch into the first chain. So we will insert the hook into the very first chain here, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. That's a slip stitch. Again just go into the chain 2 space and work another slip stitch. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that you can see that the loop is moved into the center of the chain 2 space. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will work 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space into this side of the space here. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and work another set of 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. So we will work 3 double crochets first. 1, 2, 3, and then chain 2 and another 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, and 3. Again chain 1 and create the corner here. Work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Again chain 1 and create the last corner here. Work 3 double crochets and chain 1, work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then again chain 1 and we will complete the corner here. We need to make 2 double crochets into the first space. 1 and 2, and then work a slip stitch into the third chain to join the round. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain, so work a slip stitch to join like so. With that we have completed the second round as well. This is what it looks like, and then we will get started with the third round. We are going to move the loop into the center of the chain 2 space here as well. So work a slip stitch into the first chain. Again work a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. And then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Work 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then again chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space here. 1, 2, 3. Again chain 1 and create the next corner. There I'm going to work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Again chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space. Again chain 1 and create the next corner. 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space here. Again chain 1 and create the next corner. 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets. Then again chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space here. Chain 1 and then complete the corner here. There we are going to work 2 more double crochets into the same space, and then a slip stitch into the third chain to join. 1 2 3, this is the third chain, so insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our third round as well. This is what it looks like. And if you want, you can just repeat the pattern and continue to make more rounds to make the Christmas tree bigger. I'm going to stop from here and leave a long tail rescuing and cut the yarn. And then pull the tail like this. After that we will take the yarn needle and thread the yarn needle to join. We don't have to worry about hiding this tail because we are going to make a Christmas tree by folding them like this, so it will get hidden inside the stitches. Alright, and then I'm going to first of all move the yarn end into the center of the chain 2 space. So we will insert the needle into the center of the chain 2 space and take it out, and then we will fold the sides like this and join them together. And then we will fold this corner into the same space as we finished joining, and just join these two parts together like this, and then close the holes by using the yarn needle. After that we will just hide the tail by running it through a few stitches. And then cut the yarn off. With that we have completed the tree part of the Christmas tree, and then we will create a small stem to complete the Christmas tree. For that I am going to use the mustard color. We will start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. This is a slip knot. And then chain 6, yarn over and pull through the loop. this is the first chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go into the fourth chain from the hook and work a double crochet. So skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and go into the fourth chain and work a double crochet. Like this. Again, work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 2 chains as well. 1 and 2. Then chain 2, 1, 2, turn the work and go into each one of the next 3 stitches here and work 1 double crochet into each one. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, turn the work and work 1 double crochet into each one of the 3 spaces here. 1, 2 and 3. Again, chain 2, turn the work and work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now we will leave a long tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And I'm going to use the yarn needle to complete the work. Just fold it in half and we will put this starting tail inside and join the 3 sides by using the yarn needle. And then we can just attach it here by using the yarn needle as the stem of this tree. And then we can run the tail in a few stitches like this. And cut the yarn off. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy Christmas tree pattern. If you try it, feel free to share your photos with me. I love seeing your creations. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beginner friendly crochet tutorials. Happy holidays and happy crocheting!